Hi guys, welcome back. So today I have some yum unripe plantain and cabbage sauce with some fish. Here I have some catfish, which I've already washed. I made a video on how to wash catfish at home without using any chemical. You can go through my page and see the video. So I already washed the catfish properly and seasoned with salt and pepper. I used enough pepper. I want it to be very spicy. So add some water and I pre-cooked it because I want to use the stock to cook the plantain. So after I've kind of cooked it for some minutes, I'll take it out, season it again with some garlic paste, ginger and more pepper, and grill it. Okay, now to my frying pan. Add some coconut oil, some onions and pepper mix, some ginger and garlic paste. Fry for like on a low heat fry on a low heat for about 1 minute. Add some carrots, some spring onions, and then tomatoes, and also my bell peppers. That's the yellow bell pepper and the green bell pepper. So this I'm going to cook on a very low heat for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Add my cabbage and stir, and food is ready. Keep it aside. Now I'll go ahead and prepare the plantain. This is some ripe plantain which I've already peeled and sliced into pieces, and I'm going to transfer it into the stock I got from the catfish. Add some turmeric, some salt and some curry, and cook it. I'm not going to add so much water because I want it to dry with the water. I don't want the water to be remaining. Okay, so now I've cooked it and it is soft already. It is done. Our food is ready. It's time to dish it out. I bet you will try this recipe. This is a very healthy meal. It has loads of vitamins. The veggies is just what you need, and fish. Okay, then the unripe plantain is just everything you need for a healthy living. It's a very healthy meal actually. And if you're trying to maintain a healthy weight, you're trying to lose weight, I bet you would try this. It is a healthy meal. All right guys, thank you for watching. Bye.